I think this is the perfect example of an amazing application, or like the impact that AI will have on the future of work, in that it is not replacing human creativity. It's not going to replace, it will augment, it will.
Exactly.
That work wasn't going to get done. Right? The students didn't have time to do that. They weren't going to invest that. And now they have time to put there, they have the ability to go farther with their project. I think that's maybe the best, is it's going to extend what we are already doing as opposed to replace people.
Exactly. And that was a really key point for me to prove to the professors who were always like at that skeptical side where we don't want to teach AI to our students. I'm like, this is going to be in their workforce when they graduate. And the more they know
Mhm.
how to leverage it, one important thing, and it's very important actually, is I was telling them that AI is not something that is making it like that they're using stolen ideas. That was like their biggest, resistance of like, I don't want
Everything's a
my.
stolen idea.
Yeah, because it's like, oh, like the AI is coming up with better ideas than them, and it's not their idea, and they're generating it, and I can tell that's not what they came up with. This is what I heard from professors, right? Very, very blunt, transparent, right? And so what I told them is Spring is actually giving an AI training playground where we're allowing the students or anyone upload their own image data set and train their own style. So if a designer, interior designer came up with their own, let's say coastal hotel lobby, right? And they have designed the materials and the furniture and the lighting that they want, and they've rendered that and they have photos of it and maybe even of actual physical spaces, and they want to train this as a style, an interior design style that is named like a Jonathan, like like one of their trademark styles. They're able to train that in a very private, encrypted playground. We call it the AI playground. And then they're able to endlessly use that model that they trained. It's called fine tuning, and use it to take a picture of, a bathroom and apply that style to that bathroom, or apply that style to their living room, and they can just start using that model. And where did that information come from? Where did that design come from? Their own data set, their own design.